Guys, me and my wife want to thank you guys so much for this journey that we've had. We started YouTube back in 2014, somewhere in there, 15. I uploaded a few videos and didn't really do much until 2017. That's when we bought a CFMOTO unit and was really the only content out there for CFMOTO at the time. And up until about 2020, I believe, we were pretty much the only ones, which says a lot because there wasn't a whole lot of interaction with CFMOTO way back then. And it was just something that I really liked to do, and it was a hobby for me. And I wanted to bring content on something that there was no content on. While we owned the CFMOTO, which I bought the CFMOTO not thinking that I was going to do, content on it. We bought it for us to enjoy and have fun with. But then it turned into content. I was thinking, I wanted to do something, but all the other YouTubers are doing this and doing that, and I didn't want to do what they were doing, so I did something that nobody was doing, and it turned into such a good thing. It's so amazing. I can't thank you guys enough for being part of us and being so supportive, because up until 2022, I've been an automotive mechanic all my life. Since I was old enough to work in a shop, I've been an automotive mechanic. I started out when I was, 13 years old, tinkering with lawnmowers and go-karts and motorcycles. But I was racing motorcycles when I was 3 years old. Actually, where we're at now, there used to be a track, and I raced. So power sports is in my blood, wrenching is in my blood, and I've learned a lot over the years, enough to be able to share my experiences with you guys and share how to fix certain tasks and show you how to do things without having to rely on somebody else, and really just do the detailed video thing. One thing about it is, with my videos, I didn't think that they would become as popular as they would. I didn't think that I would have the amount of subscribers that I have and the support that I have. Back in June 30th, 2022, I had lost my job, pretty much due to I didn't want to work late hours and I didn't want to work Saturdays. I couldn't. I had, I'm a family guy, so I'm a 40-hour a work week kind of guy, because the rest of the week it's family time, no matter what, no ifs, ands, or buts. And I was trying to juggle the YouTube thing and the Facebook thing and doing all that stuff at the same time. And it just, honestly, it come to a point where my job was more of my hobby and the social media was more of my job. So when they had asked me to work longer during the week and asked Saturdays, I just simply said no. And I kind of knew what the consequences were going to be. And that was kind of that. Like, I've worked my whole life turning wrenches and, working for other people and people that don't appreciate you and all that stuff. So I was kind of just fed up at that point. Like, I was ready to start my own business, and I just didn't know if I wanted to do automotive and keep doing that, or do the side-by-side and ATV thing. And I talked with my wife, and we were all for the ATV stuff. So kind of when they fired me, it just gave me that extra shove over the cliff. And boy, did my business take off. We've been in business for a year, but keep in mind, guys, I know people all around because I've been doing this stuff since I was younger. So when people seen on Facebook that I was back to working on ATVs and stuff, people were bringing me stuff from all around because they knew me from back when I was a kid, even working on their stuff when I was 13, 14 years old. So I have a good reputation locally, and that's honestly what sustained my starting up the business and keeping us going, if you say. And then when I started having the clutch stuff manufactured, that was a big game changer, because that costs a lot of money to do that kind of stuff. But as I was, selling the clutch kits and building up my money and doing what we were doing, then we started developing our own springs, and we work with Stingray Mods. He develops his helix and we sell his helix, and me and him work tightly together to bring the best possible clutch setups for CFMOTO, and we only wrench on CFMOTO. We don't wrench on anything else. So guys, if we've encouraged you to do something that you've wanted to do for a long time and just haven't had the nerve to do it, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Tell us, is there something you've been wanting to do that you're afraid to do? Like, you're afraid to take that step because you don't know where it's going to go. All you got to do is have faith in the good Lord. He's going to help you. He's going to guide you along the way. He's guided us to where we are today, along with you guys. You guys point us in the direction. You guys help us. You share our videos. You like, you subscribe, you comment, you communicate with us, you message us, you do all kinds of things that help and add up to what we can do and get done on the channel and on Facebook and on TikTok and whatever we can do, even in the CFMOTO community. We're able to help in ways that we, couldn't help before. And guys, I feel like when we took that leap a year ago, it's been the best dang thing that has ever happened, because now I'm able to spend a lot of time with my family. I'm able to get out and ride more. I'm able to do all kinds of things, help people, donate to people in need. The list goes on and on and on, and you can do the same. So there's something that you want to do, go do it. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.